This is a free-flying bird show. We encourage our audience to remain seated in the entire duration of the show to avoid clashing with any of our birds in flight. Kindly purchase your snacks and beverages before the show so as to avoid going up and down the amphitheater. Do not attempt to feed our free-flying birds. Please make sure to turn off the flashes in your camera as they may impair our birds' eyes. Avoid going into the field stage during the show unless required by the host. You may have your photos taken with the birds after the show. The show will start in a few minutes. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Clap your hands.
Okay, so our teacher dogs and student dogs are already inside their classroom. Nakapag-flag racing ceremony na rin po tayo, which could only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay ang Madayaw! My name is Trisha. I am one of your hosts, and I'm very excited to be with all of you today in this 45-minute nature and culture discovery experience. Now, I can see we actually have a lot of students in the audience. Tama po ba ako?
Yeah.
Marami ba tayong mga estudyante ngayon? Can you please raise your hand para makita ko? Sino dito yung mga estudyante pa? Ayan, ang dami yan nating mga estudyante. At kahit mga hindi estudyante, nagtaas rin ata ng kamay. But no worries with that because for today, we are all gonna learn a lot about our nature, a lot about our culture, a lot about birds, and at the end of the show, hopefully a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. And what better way to learn about nature and culture is to learn them from our teacher birds themselves, di ba? Now I would like to stress out that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back to the wild. Why? Well, first is because some of them are not endemic here in the Philippines. That means, hindi po sila dito sa Pilipinas nakatira. If we release them back to the wild, they may not be able to survive at all. Second, some of these birds were left injured due to the injuries that they got before they were donated to us. That is why we do this activity time, this play time, to entertain our birds and to teach you, our guests, the importance of environmental and cultural awareness. So I'd like to ask, students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to learn this morning? Naku, mukhang marami pa ang walang breakfast. Let's try that one more time with energy. Students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to learn this morning? Ayan, that's the energy I've been looking for. And for this morning, we will start with GMRC or Good Manners and Right Conduct. So I am over here, the star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, an African Grey Parrot. Now, did you know African Grey Parrots are considered to be the smartest in the parrot family? And in fact, according to many studies, they have the capacity to think like a 3-year-old child. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung gaano ba katalino si star teacher ni Malagos. So, star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, can you greet your students over here the Malagos way of greeting? Let's try it one more time.
Madayaw.
Ano na po yung sabi niya? It's Madayaw. Because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always greet our guests with mabuhay o Madayaw. Now, parang may nakalimutan ka ata. You forgot to introduce yourself. So can you tell your students over here, what's your name? Lala. Ano daw po yung pangalan niya? Any guesses? Noah, hindi po Noah. Lala, hindi rin po Lala. Doa, hindi rin po Doa.
Laila.
Let's try it one more time. Everybody, let us all listen carefully. What's your name again? Lola. Ano daw po yun? Lola?
Lola.
Hindi po Lola. Nona, hindi rin po Nona. Mona, hindi rin po Mona. So allow me to introduce our star teacher this morning. This is actually Donald, our African great parent.
Donald.
Pasensya na po kayo, British accent kasi lang yung mga ibo namin dito sa Malagos. Just kidding aside. So Donald over here already welcomed you to Malagos Way and already introduced himself. So now it's your time to greet Donald. So can everybody please say, good morning, Donald!
Good morning, Donald.
Donald, good morning daw. Anong dapat mong sabihin?
Morning.
Very good. So as part of our GMRC, when somebody greets you a good morning, you reply with a good morning as well. Now, Donald, kumustahin mo naman yung mga estudyante mo. Can you ask them how they are?
Hello, how are you?
Hi, everyone. Nangangamusta mo si Donald. He is asking, how are you daw po? Now, once again, as part of our GMRC, when somebody asks you, how are you, you reply with, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Now, in this part of our class, I'm very excited to know who among you here are celebrating their birthdays today, are celebrating their birthdays for the month of February. Pakitaas po ng mga kamay. Sino dito yung mga birthday celebrants natin? Ayan, Donald, ang dami pala nating birthday celebrants this morning. What should you tell them?
Happy birthday to you.
Wow! Sige nga, isa pa nga, isa pa nga.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, very good. So, according to Donald, happy birthday raw po. But you know what? It is not only Donald who would like to greet our birthday celebrants this morning. I am over here, Nigel, a super fested coca po naman. And Kuya Jeffrey, ano ba yung gagawin ni Nigel for our birthday celebrants this morning?
Singing that.
Nako, magsising and dance daw si Nigel. Sige nga, tingnan niya natin. Music, let's go! We have Nigel swaying side by side. Ay, ano po kayo
Yay!
everyone?
Yay!
By the way, ano yung kinakanta ni Nigel?
Bong
He's
tarat-tarat.
singing Bong tarat-tarat. Now, once again, in behalf of the Malagos Garden Resort family and our teacher birds this morning, happy birthday po to all of our birthday celebrants. And may you have many more birthdays to come. So that's it for our first class. Can everybody please say, bye, Nigel!
Bye, Nigel.
So nag-ring na po yung bell, which could only mean that we are now bound to our next class. But before we proceed to that, let me first ask everyone, ano ba yung favorite subject ninyo? What's your favorite subject? Ayun, ang daming nagsabing recess time. And actually, most of you are right. Because here in Malagos Bird School, it already is recess time. Because we in Malagos believe that education and nutrition should go hand in hand. Especially for birds with specific types of diet. So to start our recess time this morning, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome one of the Malagos Bird Ambassadors, Kapitan